Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix your backup failed in OBS Studio. So first and foremost, OBS requires a good amount of hard drive. So if you think your disk is full, go ahead and clean up some storage. Next, what you can do is you have to come below at the search box, type in OBS. In my case, I'm already running OBS, but if you're not running your OBS Studio, select Run as Administrator. And you can also completely enable the settings for future. So search for OBS Studio, select Open File Location. Now in here again, right click onto it and select Open File Location. Now again, right click onto it and select Properties. Here go for compatibility and make sure that Run this program as an administrator is selected. Select OK and then close this. Now go ahead and restart your device. Once you have restarted your device, launch your OBS and see if this fixes your problem. If you still cannot fix it, then the only thing you can do is reinstall your OBS. You can go ahead, uninstall it first, and reinstall from your browser, and it will fix the problem.